Today, I've got a game-changing tip on how to cruise for free. But how? One of the best ways to get a free cruise is using casino points. Here are 4 easy steps. Step 1. Most cruise lines have casinos on board, and they offer fantastic rewards for loyal players. It's important to sign up for the casino's loyalty program during your cruise. Step 2. Always use your room key while playing. This little card is your golden ticket to free cruises. Use it every time you hit the casino. Whether you're playing slots, poker, or blackjack, every dollar you spend earns you valuable points. If you are enjoying these tips, please don't forget to like and subscribe. This helps us grow and continue to bring you the best tips in cruising. Step 3. To maximize your chances of a free cruise, plan your casino visits strategically. Cruise lines want you to spend the most amount of time possible in the casino. For example, if you are playing with a budget of $200, make sure you divide that in the length of your cruise. This way, you will spend a good amount of time in the casino and it will trigger free offers. Some loyalty programs even offer special promotions or double points on certain days. Take advantage of these opportunities to boost your points faster. Step 4. Once you've accumulated enough points, cruise lines will start sending you offers. Depending on your points and status, the offers can vary. Free interior room for 2, balcony room, or even free suites. Here's a pro tip. Combine your casino points with other cruise line promotions. Look out for special offers, discounts, or even free room upgrades. By stacking these deals, you can make your cruise experience even more enjoyable. Some offers are giving within your current cruise, but don't worry if you don't get any during the cruise. Be on the lookout for mailings, emails, and even the offer section inside your profile in each cruise line website. Once you've selected your dream cruise, the redemption process is usually straightforward. It's like turning your casino fun into a fantastic vacation. And there you have it, a savvy strategy to cruise for free using casino points. The next time you're on a cruise, turn those points into unforgettable travel experiences. Happy cruising!